Hello kids, welcome to Green Kids Lab. I am your friend Jonah. Today we are going on a jungle adventure to explore amazing things and count them from 1 to 10. Let's start walking through the jungle. Come with me. Look, I see one giant elephant splashing water with its long trunk. Let's count 1. Elephant. Wow! 2 colorful parrots are singing a happy jungle song. Let's count with me. 1, 2. 2 parrots. Let's move forward. Here are 3 yummy bananas hanging on a banana tree. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 bananas. Wow, there are 4 playful monkeys are jumping and swinging around. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 monkeys. Let's move ahead. Oh, I see 5 beautiful flowers. They are blooming with bright colors. Let's count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flowers. Look up. 6 butterflies are flying like tiny fairies in the air. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 butterflies. Let's move ahead. There are 7 green leaves are falling softly from the tall tree. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 falling leaves. Let's move ahead. Here are 8 tiny ladybugs walking slowly on a leaf. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 red ladybugs. Let's move ahead. Oh, I see 9 mushrooms growing together under a big tree. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 little mushrooms. Let's move forward. Now, day turns into night, and there are 10 shining stars that are sparkle brightly in the sky. Let's count with me from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 shining stars. Wow, we did it. Great counting, kids. You explored the jungle and counted from 1 to 10 with me. Don't forget to like the video. See you next time.